Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Samiullah and you are watching my YouTube channel. Welcome in third lesson of Urdu speaking from beginning to advanced, inshallah. In this lesson, we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. What does mean by the possessive pronouns? Whenever we show a relation with some living and non-living object, it means that's my car, he's my brother, they are our relatives, this is your gifts. So we take help of possessive pronouns to just like show relations or just like take ownership of any object. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about their equivalents in Urdu, then we will use it in the sentences. Now, this is a simple definition of possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to take living and non-living objects in a position. Simple definition. First, before jumping on converting these sentences, we must know the equivalents of these each and every possessive pronouns in English. If I'm saying my, for 1 minute, let's use it not here, but here. If I'm saying my, each and every possessive pronoun is my, your, our, his, her, their, Aslam's, Ali's, parents. Each and every pronoun has 3 equivalents in Urdu. Let me write it first, then I will explain why each pronoun has 3 equivalents. First one for my is mera, second meri, third meri. If you remember in our previous lesson, I told you that like humans, non-living things had also gender. Car is taken as feminine, house is taken as masculine, brother is taken as masculine, and pen is taken as feminine, book is taken as masculine, mobile taken both. So if you're taking possession of object which is taken as masculine, single masculine, you will use this one, single masculine. If you are taking possession of feminine things, both single and plural, so you will use meri. The version of my mere is for plural, means multiple masculine. I will explain it while converting sentences. Okay, so let's have other pronouns, other possessive pronouns. My, then we have your. So you have tumhara, tumhari, and tumhare. Okay, obviously I'm not going to give them just like their short examples in parenthesis because I've already mentioned. So the word tumhara is for single masculine, tumhari for both feminine, tumhare for multiple masculine. Okay. If you remember in first lesson, the word you has 2 equivalents, tum and a. Tum is used for if you are informal with the person, very casual, just like with your friends, younger siblings. So you will call them tum. Aap, when you show some respect, you are being formal with the person. Like we do speak with our elders, with our parents, teacher, boss, just like senior colleagues. So here also, tumhara, tumhari, tumhari is informal form. So, aapka for single masculine, aapki feminine, aapke multiple masculine. Third possessive pronoun is our, hamara, hamari, and hamare. For his, her, and its, we have same iska, iski, iske. There for the possessive pronoun, there we have unka, unki, unke. What if I'm giving possession to a specific name, just like Ali's? It's Ali's house. These are Ali's gifts. So always keep that specific name first, Ali, then ka for single masculine, Ali, ki for feminine, Ali, ke for multiple masculine. Okay, now let's convert the sentences. First one is, that's my, 1 minute. Let me the text. Now paste it here. That is my house. This is my car. These are my chocolates. It's not chocolated. These are my chocolates. Those are my brothers. House is taken as masculine, we're talking about single house. Car is feminine, single car. My chocolates are taken as feminine Urdu, we're talking about multiple chocolates, so it means multiple family. My brother, just like by genders, obviously masculine, we are talking about multiple brothers, so multiple masculine. Let's convert the first one. That means wo. Now my house. Remember, I gave you the rule that keep the subject first, that, then reverse the sentence. If we reverse, there is a phrase my house. We are not going to reverse it word by word, that we keep the house first, then my. No, my house is single phrase, just like one phrase is combined. These two words are one. So we will keep it together. So my means, okay, now my has three versions. Mera, meri, mere. You have to look at the object. My house. House is object here. Now house is taken as masculine, single masculine. And so for single masculine, we have mera. The word mera for my. Because house is a single masculine. Mera house means ghar is means hai. वो मेरा घर है. Let's translate the second one. This is my car. This means, that means वो, this means ये. ये my car. Now my has three equivalents. Mera, meri, mere. Car is taken as feminine. We are talking about single car. So the version meri for feminine things. ये मेरी car means गाड़ी means है. मेरी गाड़ी है. Look at the third. Let's try the third one. These are my chocolates. These means ये. This. These means ये. That. Those means वो. So ये. Okay. My chocolates. Chocolates are taken as feminine, and for feminine, just like objects, we have the version meri. ये मेरी chocolates are means हैं. Let's come on the fourth one. Those are my brothers. Oh, now brother is masculine. Multiple brothers, multiple masculine. For multiple masculine, we have the word mere. वो मेरे brothers means भाई. Are means है. वो मेरे भाई हैं. I hope this is clear. Let me give you just like overview. Look at the object. That is my house. House is object. If it's taken as single masculine, use the single masculine version of that pronoun. Just like for single masculine, in the word my we have mera. In the word your we have tumhara. In the word our we have hamara. Hamari nahi, hamara. His, her, its, iska, their, unka. So look at the object and then choose the word from the family of just like each and every possessive pronouns. Just like ठीक है. Okay. Now let's use it with other pronouns. Let me copy it. Okay, so we use it with my. Let's use it with the your. So your has tumhara, tumhari, and tumhare, three equivalents. Let me make some space for the text. You here, drag it here. Okay, good now. You means तुम्हारा, तुम्हारी, तुम्हारे, and formal version आपका, आपकी, आपके. ठीक है. I'm saying that is my no. That's your house. This is your car. These are your chocolates. Those are your brothers. Okay, let's convert now. That is your house. Go. Now look at the word your. First and foremost, tumhara, tumhari, tumhare. So we are talking about house, single masculine. The version for single masculine, tumhara. वो तुम्हारा घर है. Second, this is your car. Car is second feminine. So ये तुम्हारी गाड़ी है. These are your chocolates. Multiple feminine. ये मेरी नहीं. ये तुम्हारी chocolates हैं. Fourth, those are your brothers. Multiple masculine. वो मेरे नहीं. मेरे means mine. वो तुम्हारे भाई हैं. If you want to be a formal, then simply look at the first one. वो तुम्हारा नहीं, वो आपका घर है. Second, ये तुम्हारी नहीं, ये आपकी गाड़ी है. Third, ये तुम्हारी नहीं, ये आपकी चॉकलेट्स हैं. Last one, वो तुम्हारे नो, वो आपके भाई हैं. Now you are being formal with the person. Suppose you are talking with your father. Dad, Abu, is that your brother? So here your brother means you have to be a formal with your father. You cannot say तुम्हारा भाई. No, आपका भाई. Now here you are being formal with your father. You're showing some respect. That's why you have to use आपका, not तुम्हारा. Okay. You can pause the video and you can copy all the text, whatever notes if you are making. Let's use it not. Let me do it. Okay. I'm not going to cover all these and all the just like each and every possessive pronoun using this sentence. I'm not applying it because rules are the same. So I'm doing it last for specific. This I'm saying Ali's. So Ali ka, Ali ki, and Ali ke. That is your not. That is Ali's house. And this is Ali's car. These are Ali's chocolates. Those are Ali's brothers. Simply. वो तुम्हारा आपका not. Remember, always keep that specific name for Ali. House is taken as single masculine, so for single masculine the word का Ali का घर है. Second, ये तुम्हारी and आपकी नहीं, ये अली की गाड़ी है. Why की? Car is taken as feminine. Number third, ये अली की चॉकलेट्स हैं. अली की वाई चॉकलेट्स आर टेकन एज फेमिनिन. वो नंबर 4, वो अली के फॉर मल्टीपल मैस्कुलिन, अली के भाई हैं. ठीक है, आई होप इट्स क्लियर. इफ नॉट देन यू कैन आस्क योर क्वेरीज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. इंशाल्लाह आई विल क्लियर. Yes. Whatever the sentences we design, these all are in present. That is Ali's house means right now I am giving the position of that house to Ali in present. I can also say that was Ali's house. This will be Ali's car future. These were Ali's chocolates past. Those will be Ali's brother's future. Whenever the sentence is same, I repeatedly say this. Whenever the sentence is same, you're only changing time from present to past, past to future. Only change helping verbs. Helping verbs are present are is am are, past was were, future will be. So similarly, like I am changing from here, it was that is Ali's house. I'm only changing helping verb. ठीक, I'm not touching anything else. So we will do the same in Urdu. वो Ali का घर. Here you have not look at the Ali. That was Ali's house. Now here the main thing is a house. So वो Ali का घर. House is taken as masculine, and for single masculine past we have the word था. वो अली का घर था. This will be Ali's car. Car is taken as feminine. वो अली की गाड़ी. For single feminine future we have the word होगी. Okay, if you are being confused at these words, it's like होगी, था, थी, थे. So I think so you might have not watched the first lesson. In very first lesson of this course, I have covered these. That's the basic of Urdu. So if you have not, then watch the first lesson, then second, then this third one. Let's come to the sentence. Number 3. These were Ali's chocolates in past. Chocolates are taken as feminine. We're talking about multiple chocolates. So वो Ali की chocolates थी for multiple feminine past. Those will be Ali's brothers. Multiple masculine brothers, multiple masculine. In future, वो Ali के भाई होंगे. That's. I hope everything is clear. That is for today. Possessive pronouns. You can make your own sentences. Just like I am her brother. She is my mother. We are their relatives. That is my car. It was my jacket. And anything you can, anything you can take on a position in present, past, and future. Okay. But keep in mind each and every possessive pronoun has 3 equivalents. So look at the object and its gender, and even just like it's a single or plural. Then you have to choose one of them. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And just like before jumping on next upcoming lesson, I'm leaving homework in the description from this lesson. You have to translate it. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next lesson.